one is also the sexual assault. So a little reminder before we start our recording, please refrain from laughing out loud from the terms na we will use later, because some of the terms that we will be using is mga terms na use sa inyo, and ayaw mo pag-inas if you will hear mga experiences na i-share later. So to start our recording, I will introduce the reporters. So myself, Miss Bagat, and Sir Cajetas. And our members are Miss Flores, Ibudo, and Miss Lapaniete. So I'll give the floor to Mr. Cajetas.
So before we start our report, ang reporter ay ang report. But first, we have icebreaker. Ano siya ay perfect one word siya na isa lang ang word ang mag-connect niya. So parang ninyo usang ni siya. Kanin.
Protection.
Unsa man?
Protection.
Morning word. Ano ni siya?
Once you're magaling, ready, you're lang.
Any idea? Correct. So before tamutapol ang tuwang contraceptives, ano isa ta sa Responsible Parenthood Act and Reproductive Health Act of 2012. The Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health of 2012, Republic Act number 10354, informally known as the Republic Health Law, Reproductive Health Law or RH Law, is a law in the Philippines that guarantees access to contraceptive methods such as fertility control, sexual education, and maternity care. Passage of the legislation can be controversial and highly divisive. Next, please. So specific objectives. Reduced by 2/3 between 1990 and 2015. The under 5 mortality rate. Reduced by 2/3 between 1990 and 2015 under the 5 mortality rate. So sunod is to have halted by 2015 and begun to reverse the spread of HIV and AIDS. Unsa rin ang HIV and AIDS? May idea si Kini na niya. Pero unsa yung acronym naman siya, pero unsa yung standard ang acronym niya na HIV o AIDS? Unsa man?
It is meant to make sexual activity.
Oo, pero ang HIV ba? Ang HIV.
Human infection virus.
No.
Human immunodeficiency virus.
And AIDS is acquired immunity.
That is the real word.
Acquired immunity. Mabilis yung sa immunodeficiency.
Acquired immune deficiency.
So report regional objectives. Gender, women, and health. Improve the health and nutrition status of women of all ages, especially pregnant and nursing women. Integrate gender and rights considerations into health policy and programs, especially into the reproductive health and maternal health care. Improve the health and nutrition status of women of all ages. So another result is improve access to the full range of affordable, equitable, and high-quality family planning and reproductive health services to increase contraceptive use rate and make pregnancy safer, support countries and areas in developing evidence-based policies and strategies for the reduction of maternal and newborn mortality. So, methods of contraceptives. Long-acting reversible contraception, such as the implant of intrauterine device or IUD, hormonal contraception such as birth control pill and a birth control injection, barrier methods such as condoms, emergency contraceptions, fertility awareness, permanent contraception such as vasectomy and global gestation. Benefits of using family planning according to the DOH. So family planning provides many benefits to mother, children, father, and the family. First, mother enables her to regain her health after delivery. Gives enough time and opportunity to love and provide attention to her husband and children. Gives more time to her family and own personal advancement. When suffering from illness, gives enough time for treatment and recovery. Next. Children. Healthy mothers provide healthy children. Will give all the attention to earthly love, care that they deserve. Father lightens the burden and responsibility in supporting his family, enables him to give his children their basic needs such as food, shelter, education, and a better future. Gives him time for his family and own personal advancement. When suffering from illness, gives enough time for treatment on our recovery. So, ano yung mga benepisyo if magplano mo sa iyong pamilya like sa contraceptives na magkuhan mo sa iyong So, ano yung mga benepisyo sa family planning according to who? Prevent pregnancy-related health risks in women. Reduce infant mortality. Help prevent HIV and AIDS. Empower people and enhance education. Reduce adolescent pregnancies, stop population growth, and advantages of family planning. So health. Family planning can reduce the risk of pregnancy complications such as high blood pressure, gestational diabetes, infections, miscarriage, and stillbirth. It can also help prevent sexually transmitted infections, STIs like HIV, AIDS, gonorrhea, and chlamydia. Maternal health. Family planning can reduce the risk of serious health consequences and death for women. It can also provide time for women to regain their health between pregnancies. Infant health. Family planning can lead to safer, healthier birth and better nourished babies. Economic. Family planning can help families save money and be self-sufficient. It can also help government and families save essential resources. Education. Family planning can allow women to take advantage of education and employment opportunities. Sustainable development. Family planning can contribute to the sustainable development of a country by helping to create a larger proportion of well-educated, healthy, productive, and self-sufficient families. Disadvantages of family planning. Birth control health risk. Some forms of birth control pose health concerns for women and men, such as allergies to spermicides or latex. For some women, oral contraceptives can lead to hair loss and weight gain in the use of diaphragms can lead to urinary tract infections or UTI. Possibility of pregnancy. Family planning methods are not 100% reliable other than abstinence There is no birth control method, including the natural rhythm method, that is completely effective. Couples who are engaging in sexual activity should always consider the possibility of an unexpected pregnancy. Pregnancy after birth control. The duration of a woman's conceiving cycle is the individual and cannot be determined by her use of birth control. After stopping hormonal contraceptives or removing the IUD, ovulation can return immediately, allowing her to conceive immediately. The menstrual period may take months to return to normal.
Okay, so now we are going to tackle about the natural family planning method.
Lovely.
So since it's kind of long, I will just read it so that the people at the top will hear it. So the natural family planning (NFP) is a fertility-based awareness method that uses the body's physiological changes and symptoms to identify fertile and infertile phases of the menstrual cycle. So it's all about the focus sa women's cycle niya, and it is typically preferred by women who prefer natural contraception due to religious reason or fear of rumors and myths. However, NFP is unreliable in preventing unwanted pregnancies and takes time to practice properly. So, ang highlight in natural planning, guys, ano siya? The unwanted pregnancy. So, ang natural planning, kay mag-control ang both couple na ma-pregnant. And the effectiveness of any natural family planning method varies between couples and can become less effective if couples not follow the method carefully. That despite these drawbacks, NFP remains a popular contraceptive method for women who practice not to use artificial contraception due to religious reasons or fear of rumors and myths.
Yes.
So these are the types of natural family planning method I mean. So nakikitulong method, and the first one is the period abstinence method. So the periodic abstinence, also known as fertility awareness-based method, or the FABS, or natural family planning, is a contraceptive method that relies on tracking women's menstruational cycle to identify her fertile window, the period when she is mostly likely to conceive. So kaya siya, mag-track siya sa women's cycle. It's all about that. So during their fertile window, couple abstain from sexual intercourses to prevent pregnancy. So when we say during this fertile window, everyone, kaya na siyang like, the girl kami kay baka na-actually highly ka ng percent na mag-pregnancy. So that's why kaling natural planning, ang couple kami kay magkuhan sila, magpupul sila ng pagalingon ng no sexual intercourse kay lagmit pregnant ako sa kababae. So during the menstruational cycle, the female hormones estrogen and progesterone cause some observable effects. So the observation of these changes provide a basic periodic constancy method, and there are 3 common techniques used in periodic abstinence method. So these methods will not be si rhythm or si calendar method, ang ikaduha or si basal body temporal, and the cervical locus method. So we will now proceed to the rhythmic method. So these are the rhythmic methods. So people of the back, I hope makakita ako sa kaning calendar, for example. So if couple tracks the woman's menstruational history to predict when she will evaluate. This helps the couple to determine when they will mostly likely to conceive. So ang uban, mo siya nataganahan din makahimog family, but they want kanang natural or healthy gani na pag-conceive sa child. So they use this one na calendar, like mag-track sila sa period sa usa ka babae. Next is the basal body temperature monitoring. So it is a contraceptive method that relies on monitoring a woman's basal body temperature on a daily basis. So kani siya, this one, as you can see the picture, wala na siya ng thermometer, but kani siya i-insert siya sa vagina or something na involves examining the color and viscosity of the cervical mucus to discover when ovulation is occurring. It is said that a woman is fertile when her cervical muscle is thin and watery, and that she must avoid any coitus with her partner during those days if she has. And period if she has. So, nakasabot sa trauma mo yung diba? No, especially sa Africa. So, wala. So, this one, it is advised by John and Evelyn Blaines to involve the color and viscosity of the cervical mucus to discover when ovulation is occurring. So, when we say that, ang kani I think, kani siya, when we see by intake, ako to siya example sa aloe vera, but since wala ko naman kong aloe vera, since it is the easiest way to example this one. So, if may nangyayari na dry or thick, na kanang white blood babay or that you release na kanang mucus babay, dili siya fertile, meaning na dili siya not likely pregnant siya. So if kanang ganahan mo na yung partner dili kanang mag-pregnant, so diba naman na din na. So she just thick.
Dili mo tawag or sapat nito sa babae niya.
So babae lagi ka like more siya white blood gani or na. And then kani siya na fertile, kani ka po low na anak. Sticky hapon siya. So, ano mga girls, if ano like na-release yung body ani, meaning na hindi ko mo fertile, so hindi ko somehow likely conceive to kanang pregnancy. And if kanina yung stretchy gani ang imuhang release or imong mucus or imong white blood or anything, mo na siya likely fertile. So like 50-50 na when like pa-conceive ka child. And kaning of course kanang clear gani, and then dili siya inani, wala siya color, like colorless din siya, but sticky. Ang kuan na na fertile siya kung siya. But this is still kanang kuan. If I think ang kanina siya kay dili gabon ka mag-basis. If couple gi kuan siya coitus, which means sexual interaction, kay mag-pregnant maghihapon, di ba? Naman yung mga lalaki. So more siya wala maghihapon ni
but the chances are higher if you are in a hobby.
so you should be kanang aware para so if hindi mo na mag-pregnant, and then if not so probably so the next one is the lactation amenorrhea method. So the lactation amenorrhea method, this method is effective for the breastfeeding woman or kanang magtutoy who have not yet achieved menstruation. The suckling of an infant inhibits ovulation, making pregnancy unlikely. However, lactation amenorrhea method is only effective if the baby is less than 6 months old, and thus breastfeeding is the sole source of nutrition and menstruation has not issues. So when we say lactation amenorrhea method, everyone, kailangan sa mga pregnant woman, kanang nakaanak na, but wala pa na menopause. So, pwede na gihapon siya maka-breastfeed sa iyahang anak na gamay pa, in fact, basta less than 6 months old lang siya. Okay? And then the last but not the least, the coitus in-depth withdrawal or pulling out method. So, when we say coitus, sa gitong coitus, oh yes, so the withdrawal method, also known as the coitus, is a form of naturally planning where the man withdraws his penis or from the vagina before ejaculation. Is considered a less viable method of contraception compared to other options like condoms or hormonal methods. So for successfully ang couple, of course, successfully ang couple, dili ka ganahan mabuntis ang babae or dili yung galang anak, so imo siya i-withdraw. So, dili siya awas na. Awas. But hindi na siya method if kanang mag-use ka condom or any other like kanang thing
nag-withdraw na ito kay dili daw siya bas kanang safe compared to condoms kaya ano sa withdrawal na naman nyo daw if mag-enter first na mo kay kanang give out na kanang on kanang before siya mag-dausan kay before ano dati na nag-free so dili siya ingon na mas kanang safe ang kati withdrawal method compared sa condom
The condom is safe if
Mas
only
safe
you
ang-
know how to use it.
So thank you so much for adding that information right now that even in ang maling withdrawal method kay effective po siya if ang lalaki ibaw siya release then since nagtako na natural planning method hindi na lang kuhan sila na sa nyo nagpumulong sila na makahimong bata. So, but firstly, muna yung pinaka-exciting method guys, kasi ayun na, amo, paano pa rin Hoy! Sama na!
Ganti man na.
Di ba ni Ganti? Please man na gini. Ano ni gamit ka ni?
Una mabunti ka niya.
Nabuang! Mali kay tuloy!
You are not contraception or family planning. So when you say ka na hormonal contraception, what comes into your mind or like what ka nang thought ka nang masunod mo ko what ka contraception or contraceptives? Protection from what?
Prevention.
Prevention for
Pregnancy.
pregnancy. Yes. It is a birth control. So hormonal contraceptives are an effective family planning method that manipulates the hormones that directly affect the normal menstrual cycle so that ovulation will not occur. So as what is said earlier if ovulation gali sa girl, this is kanang higher ang iyang higher ang iyang rate nga ma-pregnant siya or like 40 to 50% kay ma-pregnant ang woman sa kana na time sa iyang menstrual cycle. So sa atong menstrual cycle girls, kung wala mo nakabalo from day 1 to day 5 man kuan na ang menstrual period, then kuan day 6 to 10 mo na to follicular method, which means kanang mo na siya ang time nga kanang ato bitong kanang kuan kay mag-ready na siya para mo release og egg. Then after ana kay ovulation dayon. Then kanang ovulation guys, mo na siya ang exciting part as a woman kay the higher na kanang kuan, the more na kuan nga ga-ovulate ka, higher ang imong sex drive ana nga time. So if you're a sexually active na mo kani uban dire kay ba ko nga na-try na mo ana. So to some women nga wala ko naka-experience ka na during ovulation ninyo kay mas mukuan bitaw mo ka ng horny. And ma-imagine ninyo kung kano sa mga ovulate kay as what Eve said earlier na kanang watery ang inyong kuan. Watery ang inyong mucus that ang inyong symptoms po na kay same po sa kanang pregnancy nga kanang kapoy po patik inyong lawas. O then remember girls nga kanang if the higher the sex drive, the higher po ang pregnancy. So don't forget to use contraceptives kanang na time mo. Dili mo ganahan nga mag-anak mo nga magdumo anak natin. So the first nga kanang contraceptive kay is the oral contraceptive. So from the word oral, so it is also known as the pill. So kinsa may nakakita na og pills nganhi? So asa to ang pills, please? So this is the pill look like mao ni siya ang pills, contraceptive pills. So if you open it ako siya, nani siya kuan, nani siya base. So there is a loyo. So kani i-share ni nako pero ayon mo kakuan ha. Tungod sa akong curiosity ni try ko ani. Kaya nun kung maunsa man jud ang symptoms, ay unsa man jud ang side effects aning pills nga mo na sila nga nadol ni side effects. So ni try ko ani then at first kay kanang kuan excited kay ko mo try ito. Pagtanaw na ko naon din na siya numberin guys. So you will kanang take it for whole month. Kaya nga 1 28, so ayan na siya dapat imo ni siya sundon. Kay what will happen ng good if dili nimo ikuha na mo siya ka ng effects sa imong body like kanang mag-internal bleeding balon ka. Siya. So oral contraceptives contain synthetic estrogen and progesterone. So para makaibang mo ang estrogen kay mao na siya ang kanang nag-regulate sa atong reproductive health while the progesterone kay mao na siya ang mao na siya ang unsa na ang progesterone? Siya ang nag-regulate sa ato menstrual cycle kanang like ma-maintain na lang ko mga goods siya. So estrogen suppresses ovulation while progesterone decreases permeability of the cervical mucus to limit the sperm's access to the ovum. Next. So to use the pill, the woman could take it on the first Sunday upon the start of her menstrual, or she could take it as soon as it is prescribed by the doctor. So mga taong tingnan ninyo. So day 1 to day 5 mo na yung first nga kuan mo take kasi mo pill sa kanang during ka ng naka-period. Pero na po question ba, di ba nag-take mo sa tubog pills sa mga LGBT? So dili ba mong dugon mo, pero kung saan mo mag-start ko, take sa inyong pills. Sa anytime lang po. Then in your return na siya, i-take of 1 month. So it is advised that a woman should use another contraceptive method on the first 7 days of taking the pill, because during these initial 7 days, the pill would not have an effect yet. So kanang during first week na kanang nag-take ka ng pill, dili pa na siya diretso ang effect na yun siya, effective na siya magkuhan. Pwede na mo magkuhan, pwede na mo mag-rosette sa imong partner na kayo. Nagsalit ka mga nag-inom ka o pills, dili pa na siya effective guys. So ayaw mo kuhan, dahil ayaw mo ka na jump into conclusion na kanang, well, having nag-take ka in the first week, feel na kanang dili na about this, it's not. So dapat mag-contact mo, mag-double mo, huwag ka ng contraception aning na time. So mag-condom, well, kuhan sa first week, wala sa second week. However, so if she forgets to take a pill in a day, she must take it the moment she remembers, then still follow the regular schedule of taking the pill. So kung makalimot galing ka o take sa imong pill, kung kamusta ka naka-remember, imo din na siya imun as soon as possible. Then imo din i-follow ang normal na kung kamusta siya dapat imun. Then however, if she skips taking the pill more than a day, the woman and her husband must consider using another birth control method to avoid pregnancy. So if example, imo ang kuan nalapas ko sa nagkaato if nalapas like grabe na kan taas pa kay ang nalapas ng pagkato. So instead na usa lang contraceptive, mag-use gud ka og another contraceptive method para sure jud dili ka mabuntis. So the side effects of oral contraceptives are nausea, weight gain, tenderness of the breast, breakthrough bleeding, vaginal infection, mild hypertension, and depression. So take note that the side effects of oral contraceptives may vary from person to person because we have different reproductive health conditions, diba? So it may kanang sa ako, kay grabe siya o kanang effect, but to other women, kay wala ra siya, or like hindi ra kayo iso, pero nandiyan siya yung side effects. So sa ako ato ng part na nitake ko, ano kayo, naglabad siya ng ulo. Mas bilang ko din ang naglabad kayo ng ulo. Mura ko kasukaon, mura ka, puno kayo, mura bitaw, ma-distract na lang sa klase, kay labad lain kayo yung pamati sa lawas. Pero wala siya nakuan, wala ra na-destroy ang menstrual cycle, like normal yung gihapon siya. So, katong nibalik na kuan, giunong na ko siya, inom, kaya di na ko makaya ang side effects, guys. So, using the pill must be avoided in the following conditions. So, if you are a person na nag-breastfeed, cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, mag-smoke, or high diabetes, kaya dapat din ka mo take ang pills dahil na ay mga consequences. So, kung mama na mo diha, nagpa-breastfeed na mo diha, dili na mo mag-oral contraceptives. Then, when a woman is 35 years old or older, it is best to avoid using the pill without doctor's advice. So, yung mga mama nag-take pa niya, mga 40 na ito yan, kung ano mga age, ayun na lang yung mama, it is better na use ka alternative contraceptive kaysa oral contraceptives, kaya it might have consequences in your reproductive health. So next, transdermal contraceptive patch, wala akong gadalaan iba. Makita siya sa picture na naa siya patch. Ano siya? mo yung menstrual cycle. So, ang transdermal patch good for kuwan siya 1 month na imo siya tinisan bitaw para iyang effectivity. So, at the 4th week menstrual flow occurs, thus there is no need of tie the patch. As I've said earlier, in the 4th week, mauna na siya ang menstrual dating mo. So, you don't have to use the patch. Then the patch should be worn at all times, even while bathing or swimming. So, bisag na kung may outing sila, it should not be ganang remove kay it will affect the effectivity of the contraceptive. Then if the patch become loose, it should be replaced immediately or consider using alternative contraceptive. So, buhaton nimo if makuha na ang patch, na malus na siya katang mo ilisan, kaya dili ka na magilis-ilis dira, so use alternative contraceptive. Yes.
Habang nga atong patch na pilit niya, gusto ma-related siya sa kan, sa loose. Anong dilema sa pilit? Kasi patch man. So, feel ako, mura sa bandi.
No, but ang transdermal contraceptive patch, the same na siya sa kanang other na contraceptive.
Yes.
Ano itong diri po iputang. Like, ako ta dira na part sa subdermal part. Sa subdermal na kanang kuan, na same na sa diri na sa ila iputang kay. Automatic connected naman na siya sa imong body good na. Kung dili kay abig dapat diretso din mo.
Really, muto pa ka sa mga pills kaysa ana.
Ha?
Muto pa ka sa mga pag-inom ng pills sa ana kaysa ana. Kasi related.
It's still ineffective ka ng on kay. Dili man sad na siya i-recommend sa doctors if dili siya ina ng effective. So, nagya ko siya effectivity but mag-vary lang ilang pagka-effective kung depende sa lawas. So, next is ika-third na nila vaginal ring. So, from the word ring, kung saan masod yung nauna, more siyang sing-sing o forma. So, it is a birth control ring inserted into the vagina and slowly releases hormones through the vaginal wall and bloodstream to prevent pregnancy. So, mo ni siyang mo ni ang imong reproductive system, then tanawa na ang mga hormones. Like, more siya na-release because siya. So, mo na ang gamit sa vaginal ring. So, next, ay, balik. So, inganin siya guys. Wala mo po siya. So, mura na siya green. Ano siya? Ibutan na siya sa vagina.
Isud na siya.
Mugawas dito, mo-release siya. Dili na katubuan, dili na katubuan. So, next is subdermal implant. So, if katong ganiha kay patch ko, kanin sa
Implant.
ang katong kuan ganiha is patch to kaning subdermal implants kay mura siya
Ipasud siya sa panit yun.
Pasulod na siya diri sa upper, diri sa left or sa right, depende. So, mura siya match. Naka-imagine mo sa kadaka ang match stick na pusporo. O, yan na siya kadaka. Isulod sa imong diri.
I-inject siya
So, based
ata.
sa inyo sa kong update na natinganin lang siya nag-subdermal implants, so siya dili ra mo daw sakit. Pero kamo, ganahan mo.
Kuan man, dili ka dugo na ata. Side effect yun.
So, a subdermal implant is made overall the size of a matchstick, as I said earlier. So, it contains the hormone progestin. So, for halusan ng contraceptive, ano hormone progestin. Then, a contractive is implanted or inserted into the left arm for right-handed women. So, if you're right-handed women, so are sa left iko on. And if the right, and for the right-handed women, there is a left arm iko on. So, sexual contact must be avoided for a week after the first day of implant. So, if karon mo nang pa-implant, the rest of the week, dili mo pwede naman ang mag-take sexual intercourse mo sa iyong partner. So, yung partner mo mag-abstinence mo ng times. Di kayo siya mag-abstinence mo pag inaka siya tayo mo. So, a subdermal implant can provide protection for up to 3 years. So, ako nga kay bago lang siya nag-ilis o kanang implant kay na 3 years naman kung sukad na kanang gikuan na siya implant o so ilisa na siya balik. So, every 3 years try ang longevity. Then, since it is easy to use, it is highly effective as a birth control method. So, as I said earlier, di ba gawin na isang dili siya gibutang kay kung gyapon siya effective kang
Di ba naman gud kay kaila nga nag-inana ga IUD din na dislocate gani
Wait,
din.
ano na? Next na ang kuan. So, hormonal injection. hormonal injection, ma'am. FYI. So, VJ, please go ka ng ispenan sa mga kita ipikpan. Ihatag kita, ispenan sila mga kita. So, hormonal injection contains synthetic estrogen and progestin. So, the woman receives an injection of these hormones once every 12 weeks. So, kaniha kay every month to kay once every 12 weeks. So, the area where the hormone was injected must not be massaged so that the body absorbs the hormone slowly. So, kung i-injectan ka gikan, ayaw na itabuan, ayaw na i-kinuklino, or ayaw na ka na ma-ikot siya, maapektuhan ang effectivity sa hormones na i-inject sa'yo. Then the area where the injection stops ovulation and causes changes in the uterus lining as well as in the cervical mucus. So ma-stop siya sa imong ovulation, di ba? Kung ma-stop ang ovulation, so dili ma-fertilize ang egg, there is no pregnancy ng ovulation. Then this method is 100% effective in preventing pregnancy. So unlike other contraception, like banana man mo, dili ang uban nga contraception kay dili 100% kana effective. So hormonal injection kay 100% din siya. So kasi ganahan ko dira in the future hormonal injection in ito para sure siya gali. Kani intrauterine device for the IUD. So as you can see here in the picture, mauni siya, but the actual case ani siya.
Wow!
So mauni T-shape siya, the national string. So mauni siya yung actual. Mauni siya, miss. So mauni siya, guys. So T siya. Pakita rin ako sa loyo later. T siya, tapos ang kaning naadri, nani siya string. Mauni siya ka na marang birahong ito yung buwan. If ever nagkatago na siya.
Maputol lang na.
So, imong question na kapag sa next na slide. This time, if binasa na mga kita. So, an IUD is a small, T-shaped birth control device inserted into the uterus through the vagina. So, as you can see, ganyan, yung shape mo, ano yung IUD, T-shape yung siya. Then it prevents the sperm from reaching the uterus, thus preventing fertilization of eggs. So same rin hapon, nakakang dili mga process. Then the IUD is fitted only by a physician and right after the menstrual flow to ensure that she is not pregnant yet. So kani siya, dili ni siya basta-basta ma-insert lang, makamukha mo ra sa niyo kagalingon kita. Pagpataka mo diha, mabilis galingon. So dapat i-insert niya sa professional. So the question ganina ni ka-friend na niya na siya if dili pa ito makikul. So mo ni imuha ng task. So the device is effective for 5 to 7 years. So as longer siya ang effective niya kasi sa other na 1 to 3 years ra.
buntis na mo ka.
Hormone. Balikan na rin, dapat mag-ingat siya mo, hindi mo ganun mag-pregnancy. Bago na ninyo during follicular luteal phase na yung
Okay, namanggoy times if mahiwi ang kanagay sagsig pangusog nimo, mahiwi siya mo kay if right-handed ka, left ibutang kay ang sa right man ka mangusog.
So, dapat dili kayo na siya makandog-kandog para dili siya makaknang or dili siya makakalimutan. So, let's move on sa mga move on. Chemical barrier. So, kanang katong spermicides, kaya lang spermicides, wala. Patay sa
Mura siyang
sperm.
insecticides.
Before siya maka-enter sa kanang cervix or sa kanang sa girl, kay mamatay na ito siya daan para diligid siya mga buntis. So, malinis. So, a contraception method that use chemicals such as spermicides, vaginal gels, and cream as well as glycerin films to lower the pH level of the vagina so that the condition becomes unfavorable for the sperm and cause ejaculated sperms to die before reaching the cervix. So, nanang ganira na mamatay na siya daan before siya makabot sa cervix kaya mara siya malipo. So, mga naanggapit sa spermicides, niya mo na siya example sa chemical barrier. So, although chemical barriers to prevent pregnancy, it would not prevent infection from sexually transmitted diseases. So, makaprevent na siya sa pregnancy pero sa infections and diseases, no. So, I would not recommend it. Diaphragm. So, kanang diaphragm, mura siya o kanang bulb. So, imagine na lang kanang bulb siya, kanang kamay. And then, silicone siya. So, definition.
Mura siya og menstrual cup.
Nanawag rin siya pagbutang.
Busok.
So, a diaphragm is a form of birth control where a shallow cup-shaped silicone inserted into the vagina. So, the silicone acts as a barrier to prevent the sperm from draining the egg cell. So, barrier siya kay, di ba? Since cup, then para na bato ng sperm. So, pwede siya as but, maka-intercourse siya. Kung sa surface,
Hoy, Filipino kaya ta. Nalimot mo.
What if the echo?
So, diaphragm the egg guys. Di ba? Diaphragm kay mao na siya kanang dungan na sila upan kanang bida. Di ba sila magulap sa kuan spermicide. So, if mag-use ka ang diaphragm, dapat mag-use spermicide kay pagtapos imong quadrat, mao ni ang kuan, mao ni siya.
What if inuok nila?
Di mao ni ang sperm. So, what if mamatay ang sperm? Nakatangkang na na. Kaya kung diaphragm, not less than 24 hours, dapat matanggal na siya. Yeah, but what if naman nila ka-survive yung sperm at dito na? Katangkang mo kay nakapag-relate.
Okay, 7 days man ang sperm mabuhi.
So, na dapat atani siya, ikulog din siya sa kawan, spermicide, chemical barrier. Diaphragm itself is not enough. Dapat bukas sila kabuo with the help of chemical barriers. So, using spermicide along with the diaphragm makes for a better success rate in preventing pregnancy. And it should be left in place for not more than 24 hours to avoid irritation and inflammation. So, ang diaphragm kay, ang iyang side effect ang hindi ay mo-irritate because siya dagal man ang diliganan ang diaphragm as form of contraceptive kay maka-irritate jud siya dito sa sulod and it can cause ka ng bladder infection sa body. So, next is the cervical cup. Same na sila sa diaphragm
Menstrual.
but only differs in physical appearance. For example, kani siya, from the word cup, muna sa siyang kalo. Kung ima siyang balingon kalo, yung forma. Ba't katong isa ka muna siyang bowl. So, mana yung cervical cup. So, it blocks the sperm from entering the cervix. Pareha sa atutuan. So, with the help of the spermicides, dapat magamit sa spermicides para mamatay po kuwan-kuwan. But the only thing na ka-difference sa cervical cup is pwede siya mas dugay din mo siya gamiton kaysa atong kuan, kaysa atong diaphragm. Pero dahil,
Irene, same siya sa kuan.
mga kuan din siya sa gamit. Okay, never ba? Never na ba? Dili ba sa siguro? Okay, may inches ba yun? Miss, katulog ka 8 inches.
Mga pilingon.
American size. Spermicide is added to the cervical cup to kill any sperm that may get inside the protective barrier. So if naka-protective barrier, wala na may gamit. If wala, di ko nang mamatay ang sperms. So, however, this is not a widely used method and a few healthcare providers recommend this type of contraception. Niana na siya dire nga dili siya kanang highly recommended nga kuan. Hi, maka-irritate man gud siya dito sa sulod. Then the most common side effect from using a cervical cup is vaginal infection or irritation rather. Some women also experience an increase in the number of bladder infection. Maka-infection lagi din siya. So ayong pag ano nga kung ganahan ang mga kanaman, ay di pa mo ganahan. Next is the male condom. So mo ni ang pinaka-common. Hala, nakalimot ko dala sa
Na ako kay pampaswerte. Pampaswerte.
So, male condoms. Kita na mo condom tanan sa mga wapag kita na mo
Ablihi! Ablihi! Abli!
Baho, ang condom is a form of male contraception. Dili ako ablihan kung dili mo mamita. Guys, silence ablihan na lagi din ako. So, a condom is a form of male contraception that works to protect a person from infection due to sexually transmitted diseases. So, it not only prevents from pregnancy but also from infections like STD, STI, HIV, and whatsoever diseases. So, it is a thin barrier made of latex rolled on the penis before the sex. So, i-roll. Kung saan na siya magamit? Kaya ba mo gamit? Kasi kapag mo gamit,
Practice.
so, i-demo daw ni Kaan. I-demo daw ni Eman kung saan pag... Sige, go! So, kani siya, nanasa ni siya lubricant dye, guys, para...
Muna siyang more siyang oily.
Kasi pag-running.
Kaya siya.
Okay ra?
Dahil dili na may mo mainom.
So, this is what it looks like.
Butngan.
So, ako sa aking pag-last ba nalata, ay wala may ka-report mo kung gitanda na ako ay demo ninyo.
Ang ganun lang.
So, what? As a birth control method, it is used to prevent sperm from entering the vagina, hence preventing fertilization. So, i-roll ranin mo siya, guys. Kana example mo niya, penis, nag-erect na siya. Yan na mo siya. Hoy guys, palanaw mo para kamoy mo takot sa inyong partner, ani. So, ano siya? Tapos, inyo na siya i-leave og space dire kay when na magkamang siya na ang lalaki, no? So, whether
Dira
magkam siya o
mabutang.
dili, dapat inyo na siya i-leave og space dire kay para dili bitaw siya makuha, dili bitaw ma-break ang kanang o dili siya mabuslot kay dili siya
Muna siya mabuslutan sa
Uy,
kuan.
dili siya makuha, dili siya makuha.
Huy!
Imagine na lang ha, imagine na lang mauni ang penis. Nakuha sa dami. So, maana siya. So, kung magawas na iyang kuan diri, kung gawas na iyang kang dili ra ka makuha ni ka tangtang mo kay dili ra bitaw siya magkatag kay naa na siya ibutangan ng daan sa pump. So, ang tendencies mo gud mao ang uban nga bisa kayo sila og kung kay dili effective kay ila man gud ilang rules like kanang
Thank you, Irene.
So, dapat dili na siya ilahos guys kaya para nabit na siya space para sa katungkuan oh yeah kaya kung imo magod siya lahos di ba maana siya makapot man gud na diri so magawas
Maawas.
overflow so dapat kung magawas na po dili ka sa nipadayon o kanana so while it can be bought over the counter so whatever gender you are or what age you are kanang kuan mabata ka ay makuan ka mapa-high school pa ka dira mapa-kuan grade 8 or ano kay mukha na siya na ang kanang mga namaligyan na masugot ra kita sila mapalit ra gid na siya bisa wala may prescription kay sa una nakasuhay ko ana gider magud ko ninahanlo ko pa sa mga ba sa imong ID nya wala ra man di sila paki so if ganan mo nga kanang appearance mo kung sa jud siya kanang isaon siya pag-use ba pero dili sa i-apply sa lain nga kuan na penis if ganan mo makatry ba mapalit mo ani kay
dili naman sila mo judge ni.
Yes.
Dili na sa judge.
Ipabaon man ganas uban.
Okay, dapat man dyan na, naman dyan na siya yung law, guys, nga ang condom kay para dyan na siya.
Normalize.
Bisan unsa ka, LGBT ka, babae ka, lalaki ka, matiguang ka, mabata ka, mapalit na dyan na siya. Then the condom must be disposed after use. So, dili
Patakag
na siya
labay.
pwede gamitin o balik, like kung nakam na tong lalaki, 1 round, so 1 condom, 2 rounds, 2 condoms, ingana na siya, dili na siya kanang pwede i-reuse. Ngay, balihon ninyo ka
Hugasan.
Now, it should be disposed after 1 use. Then, the rate of unintended pregnancy when using condom is typically 15% due to common errors such as putting the condom on partway through the intercourse or taking it off before the intercourse is over. Nasa uban na, sakto ilang pagkabutang sa kuan pero murag excited kasi sila ba? Nagtamo na nila so wala pa sila na uban. So, mga na, ang uban kay mabuntis yun. Then, kuan, then, Kabon. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, if inyong partner, di sila ganahan na musulog sila og kondom, iti panaganday kay ikaw may alkansi, nga dili ka managang, ikaw may magunti.
Kamot ni mo yan.
So, this is what a female condom looks like.
Dili lang siya kuan.
Mura sa child male condoms, di ba? Like latex, gihapon siya. But, ang nakalain niya, na siya yung mura grapes.
Like, yan.
Wala kung kakuha na nakawala siya. Dili siya available sa barangay. Ma-visualize ko pa din mo siya. Kung siya po na So, di ba? Gituruan ko mo. Kung saan pagtaot ang may condom. Luan ko mo siya. Virgin ka po. Dili siya. Our one, our pag-solid.
Wait sa excited. Uy.
So, family condoms are also called internal condoms. This coined as a It is an alternative to male
Family.
condoms and provides the same purpose such as preventing pregnancy as well as the protection from sexually transmitted diseases. So, same ragyapon sila ba? Ang nakalay lang nila ay silang forma. Then these are latex rubber shots that are specially designed for females and pre-lubricated with spermicides. So, nasa din siya yung kanong chemical para makamatay sa sperm. Then it has an inner ring that covers the cervix. Ring. It has an inner ring that covers the cervix and an outer open ring that is placed against the vaginal opening. So, nagkukana mo ganyan, saan siya pagtaod. So, if this is the if this is reuse.
Uy,
So,
bawal.
if this is the example na lang niya nga mauni siya. So, if this is the female condom, imo na siya iana sa imong kuan kani iana ni mo siya tapos ikasot ni mo
Pasok.
sa kulon siya iana na ni mo siya ito.
Yes. Yan na gyud.
Hantod sa maabot siya sa imong tumoy.
Katong sa ma-feel nimo nga murag na ibuko.
Oh, yeah. Hantod sa mafila nimo nga kanang mo na siya edad But you have to make sure na kanang inikataog ninyo sa female condom kay dili bitaw siya kanang wala bitaw siya
Naghiwi.
nakahiwi-hiwi ay kanang nagalukot-lukot ba. So you're asking what if virgin ang babae? You are underestimating the flexibility of our God. Bisa virgin man gud ta kay basta imo na ikuan mo open man siya na siya. Sakit siya sa isang part because you are a virgin but it will ka na masud gihapon siya.
Open the door. Open the door. Yes. Kung dali siya masud.
Pero anak sa kanang condom na male kay kuan ko na patay sa sperm.
Oh, may nakabutan na rin ang female condom kaya na siya spermicides but ang katong ko male condom kaya wala
Wala.
siya kay kailangan mo nang i-protect ato kana ay female man siya so dapat ikaw dyan managang sunod siya dapat ka ng chemical na then these are disposable and require no prescription so same as male condoms wala ra gyud siya prescription so it can be bought over the counter then the weight of female condoms is 12
Bakit why pagkuhan niya? Namin guys na babae may mauna daw sa niya.
Oh,
Bawasan mo
but cases like that is rare man, di ba? Sa atong female kay kuan man jud na kanang mitra man jud na nila na kanang girl kay magduman yung kagawas.
Yes.
But most likely rare jud kayo siya mahita mga pangitabo nga magawasan gid ang girls. Pero
Okay.
magawasan man gali na siya mo flow ra gyud ko na siya. Pero
Because we're Pinoys.
ano na siya, ini-remove sa condom, ara pa na siya matagak. Next is the surgical method. This is the last. So the surgical method, one of the most effective control methods.
White.
One of the
Try ka din.
So this method ensures contraception. Conception is immediate. There are two kinds of surgical methods. The first kind is for male and the second one is for the female. So, mana ko ganang kuan, vasectomy mo ni siya kanang
Butlon ang
mo ni siya surgical method for men. So, a surgical operation in the tube that carries the sperm to a man's penis is cut. So, yung mo ni yung tube sa kani, sa lalaki. Tanawan ninyo guys, ikaw sa ng kuan. Mo ni siya ang tube, ikat na siya kung para dili mo kuan ang sperm. Dili siya abot sa penis. Then, it is a permanent male contraception method. Now, pinag-ipan mo ang post-society. If you are so against abortion, then get a vasectomy. Mo nang tuan sa post. So, nakikita naman yung mga tao, mga Muslim, mga lalaki, yun ka na against sila sa abortion, lagi ka na itis ka na pants to their religion daw. But, di mo ganahan mag-abortion, no? Kamu na like kuan, mga laki, kamu na like adjust. Pag-vasectomy mo, guys, kuanan yung This procedure preserves ejaculation and does not cause impotence or erectile dysfunction. So, ayaw mo kabalakay, mag-vasectomy mo, kaya dili naman siya pala siya maka-affect sa inyong sexual
Vasectomy na.
Maugan hapon mo. Like, mo barog na gihapon na siya.
Yes, pero wala lang may sperm.
Ang sperm na lang niya, kaya dili na siya makabuntis.
Dili mo
Dai, reduction of testosterone.
Dili na siya buntis, so di siya mugawas.
Ay, magawa sa Then, tubal ligation sa money for females, tubal for males is Then, it is a surgical procedure for female sterilization involving cutting or tying fallopian tubes to prevent fertilization of sperm from leaching out. So, money ang fallopian tube, girls. So, katong ganiya kay ang tube ang kanisiya na sa nabigat. Para ang fallopian tube ito kay dili maka-fertilize. So if kanang ikaw ang type of woman na dili ka ganang mga anak, then respected sa imong partner na dili ka ganang mga anak, then you can get surgery. Then it can be performed post-childbirth or C-section, but reversible. Surgery is not always successful. Lose ninyo ha, dayon sunod ani. Oh my God, so